The environment is everything that surrounds us: air, water, land, plants, animals, and even humans. It is nature's gift that supports life on Earth. A clean and healthy environment is essential for our survival and well-being. Today, our environment is under threat due to pollution, deforestation, overpopulation, and careless human activities. We must take steps to protect our environment. It is our duty to keep the Earth clean and green for ourselves and future generations. Today, Grade 7 students of Achariya Siksha Mandir are here to present few models of the environment, which shows the main components of nature and how they are connected.